All right, let's dive in. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the hidden engine that pretty much powers our entire digital world, the cloud-native data platform. You know, it's the architecture behind almost every service you use. So let's get right to it. So let me start with a question for you. What could possibly connect the show you're binge-watching on Netflix, the app you use to check your bank balance, and all those connected features in a brand new car? I mean, they seem like they're from completely different planets, right? Well, the answer is surprisingly simple, but it is also incredibly powerful. Every single one of them, without exception, runs on a constant, massive river of data that's being processed and analyzed in the cloud. That's the secret sauce, and trust me, it's changing absolutely everything. To really get why this is such a huge deal, we first have to understand the problem these platforms were built to solve. And it all boils down to one simple fact. The old way of handling data is completely, totally broken. I mean, the scale we're dealing with today is just staggering. We've blown past gigabytes and terabytes. We are now talking about petabytes of data. And if you're wondering, a single petabyte is 1,000 terabytes. And this is all coming from app clicks, from IoT sensors, from financial transactions, a volume of data that was literally unimaginable just a decade ago. This slide really nails the difference. The old traditional way, well, it was slow, it was clunky. If you needed to scale, you had to physically buy and stack more servers in a room somewhere. It was a total nightmare, so expensive, and it took forever. The new cloud-native way, it's the complete opposite. It scales automatically, the infrastructure is managed for you, and this is the big one, you only pay for what you actually use. This shift makes the cloud not just cheaper, but way faster, smarter, and basically built for the age of AI. And that right there brings us to the hero of our story, the cloud-native solution. This is the new architecture, designed from the ground up for this brand new era of massive, complex data. So what is this thing exactly? Well, a cloud-native data platform isn't a single product you can just go buy off a shelf. It's much better to think of it as this integrated ecosystem of services that all work together in perfect harmony. It handles the entire lifecycle of data, from storing it to processing it to analyzing it and ultimately to powering artificial intelligence. This visualizes that fundamental shift perfectly. The game is no longer about managing physical servers in some cold basement. Instead, companies are plugging into these powerful, managed services from providers like AWS, Azure, or Google. It lets them scale up or down almost instantly whenever they need to. Okay, so we know what it is and why we need it. Now let's pop the hood, let's get into the mechanics and break down the core building blocks to see how this all really fits together. Now, at first glance, this might look a little complicated, but trust me, it's a very logical flow. Think of it like a data factory. At the bottom, you've got the storage layer. This is your massive data lake, using services like Amazon S3. Next up is ingestion, which is just how you get the data in. Tools like Kafka are amazing for handling real-time streams of information. Then you've got the processing layer, where powerful engines like Spark get to work cleaning and transforming all that raw data. And finally, the analytics layer, with tools like BigQuery, is where the magic happens, where you find insights and build intelligent models. Every layer is a crucial stop on the assembly line. And here's how that all comes together in a continuous flow. Data pours in from all kinds of sources, apps, databases, you name it. It gets ingested, then dumped into the storage lake. From there, it's processed and refined, moved into a more structured data warehouse. And then it's finally ready. Ready for business intelligence tools to make cool dashboards or for machine learning models to start making predictions. It's a factory, turning raw material into finished intelligence. Now that we see how it works, let's talk about the best part, the payoff. What are the tangible, real-world benefits that make every modern company want to jump on this bandwagon? The advantages are, frankly, game-changing. We are talking about scalability that can take you from 10 users to 10 million without breaking a sweat. Real cost control where you are not burning money on servers that are just sitting idle. It's AI-ready right out of the box with machine learning services built right in. Plus, you get world-class security and you can deploy new ideas dramatically faster. And this chart right here, this really drives that last point home. Just look at the difference. With the old systems, a new project could take months just waiting for hardware to show up. In a cloud-native world, you can spin up all the infrastructure you need in minutes. That kind of speed isn't just an improvement,
It is a massive competitive advantage.
Okay, so I know this can all sound a bit abstract, so let's bring it all back down to earth and talk about what this means for you and for the services you interact with every single day. Just think about it for a second. That alert you get from your bank about a possibly fraudulent transaction happening in real time, that's a cloud data platform working its magic. When a shopping website gives you product recommendations that are just spokily accurate, yep, that's the platform. From optimizing shipping routes to helping doctors diagnose diseases faster, this technology is absolutely everywhere.
And let me be perfectly clear about something. This is not some far-off futuristic technology. This is the industry standard today, right now. Major companies in every single sector are racing to migrate to these cloud-native systems. This isn't the future. This is very much the present. And the innovation isn't even slowing down. The industry is already evolving with really cool concepts like cloud lakehouses, which blend the best of data lakes and warehouses. You've got MLOps to automate machine learning, and even serverless architectures that pretty much remove infrastructure management from the equation entirely. This whole space is moving at light speed.
So, what does this mean for careers? Well, just look at who's hiring. It's everyone. The big tech giants like Google and AWS, massive financial institutions, the top consulting firms, and the most innovative companies on the planet like Tesla and Spotify. They are all desperately looking for people who have these skills. Look, if you take only one thing away from this entire explainer, let it be this. The combination of data engineering skills and cloud platform expertise isn't just a trend. It is the future of how all major companies are going to be built and run, period. So I'll just leave you with one final thought to chew on. We know for a fact that the amount and complexity of data is only going to keep growing exponentially. So the real question is your team's, or maybe your entire organization's architecture ready for what's coming next? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.